Hello all, in this video we will do some further examples about the ratio of two sides include angle. So we will have teaching example 9.21 and 9.22, and also you will have the quick practice 9.21 and 9.22. Now look at the question. So we are going to find out that which two of the following triangles are similar, so then also give the reason. So let's look at the angle I give it to you is 37 degrees, so that I think that all three of them are 37 degrees, so there's no problem. But in case we can distinguish which one is not belong to the same group of it, because every time you see 37 degrees here is between 5 cm and 3 cm, it's between two lines here, and this one is 4.5 and 7.5 between these two lines. But unluckily, this 37 degree is not between 6 and 10. You do not have the 37 degree in the middle of it. So I think that it's obvious that we will not choose DEF here. Let me mark all them first, okay? Because we do not have the angle here, so obviously we will not choose DEF here. So the only one we choose is triangle ABC and also the triangle PQR. Okay, now let's do it one by one and let's finish the procedure that we are going to do this question. So first of all, write down the in triangle first. In triangle ABC, that means the longer side, go to ABC longer side, and then go to the one that I do not give it to you, and then go to the shorter side. Okay, so you have Q, ABC, this one is the RPQ, so that we have triangle RPQ, so that I can mark it easily. So that is not the way that is good for you if you just write ABC here. If you write angle ACB, it's much easier for you. This is RQP. You can directly write it down. But never mind, just do it one by one. It's okay, we'll get the same answer here. So we will go to the angle first. So angle ACB will equal to 37 degrees. ACB will equal to RQP. So equal to angle RQP. This one is given. I gave it to you. And now, next, we are going to do, calculate the ratio. So first of all, starting from the shortest one is 3 and 4.5. So BC is over PQ is equal to 3 over 4.5. So you can expand it 30 and 45. You can divide it by 15, so you got 2 over 3. Next, we'll have the longest one is AZ, and so you will have RQ. AC over RQ, so you will see that one will be 5 over 7.5. So this one is 50 over 75. So this is 2 over 3. So it got the same ratio. So finally, we can say because BC is over PQ is equal to AC over RQ. So I think that they are similar. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle RPQ. The reason is ratio of two sides include angle. Okay. Okay, now that will be your turn. Now please do your quick practice 9.21 in 1 minute. Okay, now we will discuss the answer for this one. Obviously, we know that this one is not the include angle because I do not give you the length of excess. So directly, we know that this one will not be in the part of your answers. Okay, so I will choose angle AB, triangle ABC, triangle ABC, or you can triangle CAB much better, is equal to PRQ. Okay, similar to it. So in triangle CAB, we will have PRQ, and triangle PRQ. So first of all, let us write down the angle first. Angle CAB is equal to 35 degrees, equal to angle PRQ. This one is given. Okay, we have this one. The second one we will have is the length of it. This is AC, or CA. You can say CA over PR. CA over PR is 2.7 over 3.6. So this one you have is 27 over 36. This is 3 over 4. And finally, we will have AB over RQ. So we have AB over RQ. You have 4.2 over 5.6. This is 42 over 56. Once again, this is 3 over 4. So you will say these two triangles are similar. CAB is similar to triangle PRQ. We have ratio of two sides include angle. Okay, so we have two similar one. So we have finished these questions. Okay, now we will go to the last teaching example and also the last rep practice. So we will finish all Form 1 topics this year. Okay, now let's look at this picture, and these questions. In the figure, I want to find the triangle PQR and TRS. So that means we are going to show that triangle PQR and triangle TRS are similar or not. Okay, now let's look at this one, PQR. That means PRQ. So we look at the TSR. They are equal because I give it to you. So why don't we first of all write down the angle we are going to use? Is angle PRQ. Angle PRQ is equal to angle TSR given. So this one we log it down first. Log it so that they are equal. And then we will choose these two sides, PR and QR, so that we choose TS and RS. So 2.7 plus 3.P is 6. 6 is longer than 3. So that means we use the shortest one first, QR over RS. Okay, let's use QR over RS. So this is 3 over 2.4. So this is 30 over 24. So you will see this is 5 over 4. This is 1.25. And next, we will use the PR. PR over TS. PR, TS. So over TS, we have 6 over 4.8. Once again, this is 60 over 48. It must be equal because if I cancel 2, you see 30 and 24. Once again, this is 5 over 4. So I can say, since QR over RS is equal to PR over TS, so I can say these two are similar. Triangle PQR is similar to triangle TRS. Ratio of two sides include angle. Okay, so this is the answer of teaching example 9.22. And then we will go to the last quick practice 9.22. Okay, this is quick practice 9.22. And now we will see we have two lengths here, and the only include angle is this one. both of them overlap in one angle. So that is common angle. So this is the tips of this question. This one is common angle. So please do it in 1 minute. Okay, now we will do in the last quick practice 9.22. If you cannot finish, just pause the video. Okay, now let's look at the question. We are going to determine whether these two are similar. So why don't we write it down first? In triangle, ACE, okay, ACE, and then also the triangle BCD. We're going to prove that they are similar. Okay, now let's look at it one by one. First of all, we must write that angle ACE is equal to angle BCD. The reason this time is not given. This one is common angle. Although I've told you, but you can read it by yourself. This one is common angle. And then we will do it, find the length of it. This one time is BC. So we will choose AC. AC over BC is equal to 4 plus 2. This one is 6 over 4. This is 3 over 2. And then the other one I will have is CD. So that's CD and CD. So we will use EC over DC. EC over DC. EC is 6 plus 3. That is 9 over 6. This is 3 over 2. So we will say that since AC over BC is equal to EC over DC, so they are similar. Triangle ACE is similar to triangle BCD. The reason is ratio of two sides include angle. Okay, so we solved the last problem. Okay, this is the end of all videos in Form 1, so make sure that you know how to do all these questions, and see you later. Bye bye.